Unfortunately, I have a couple to pick from, and I've just realised from sharing my story, somehow somebody gets inspiration from it. Growing up, I have hated hearing that my story gives people inspiration because I'm like, hey, I'm traumatized by this. But I do find that my faith has been something that has been able to keep me grounded in a lot of situations where I never thought I would make it through. In my eyes, I'm an anomaly in so many ways, and that's not to like speak over anybody else, but there's so many times that I didn't think that I was going to make it further than I did. Like, I was playing really high levels of football, tore my ACL, lost my dad, came back, got lupus a couple of years after, do you know what I mean? So, and I'm still here, I'm still finding a way to do that, and it's not from a space to be a victim or for people to feel sorry for me, because I'm living an amazing life, and maybe these are just the things that I had to go through to get to where I needed to be. And honestly, the experiences that I've had have made me such a much more grounded person, and obviously don't want to go through them, but I really do think that if I had everything my way, I would probably be a horrible person. And that's the one thing that I have to take from it, is that, like, it's just, I think growing up in sport and being good at something, you get told that you're amazing from a very young age, and you really need life or people to bring you down to earth. And from a young age, I just thought I was the best thing ever, you know, and you're not. That's the reality of it. You're really not. So having a more balanced view of life is something that has really worked well for me, and like even helped me be able to connect with completely different people, you know, because you're able to see the humanity and empathize with other people because you know what you've been through, you know. So for me, like, I don't love sharing it, but I do want it to be something that can empower somebody regardless of the situation that they're in, you know. So that's why I share my stories.